People are doubting if it's still worth learning Python in 2024 due to the explosion of AI tools and many beliefs that AI will replace programmers one day. Let me convince you, it's still worth it. Grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. For a couple years, Python's importance in tech industry keeps growing quickly. This versatile language is a top choice for developers and companies, driving progress in data science, machine learning, web development, automation, and more. For those looking for Python developer jobs, websites like Glassdoor and Indeed are great places to search. A quick look on Indeed shows that Python developer salaries in the United States are still very good. The high demand for skilled Python developers means that salaries are competitive, reflecting the value of expertise in this powerful language. Whether you are an experienced programmer or just starting out, learning Python can open many doors to different career paths and well-paid job opportunities. The increasing need for Python skills in various tech areas highlights its importance in today's job market. The TOB index is often used in the software industry to see trends and changes in how popular different programming languages are. This can affect which technologies are chosen for projects, the career paths of developers, and the focus areas for schools and training programs. As we can see, Python is still gaining popularity. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its readability and simplicity. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python was designed to emphasize code readability and ease of use, with a syntax that allows programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code compared to languages like C++ or Java. Python's history is marked by its steady growth and adoption across various domains. Initially popular among academic and research communities, it has since become a cornerstone in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. The language's extensive standard library and supportive community have contributed to a rich ecosystem of frameworks and tools, enhancing its functionality and appeal. In recent years, Python's popularity has surged, driven by its role in emerging fields like machine learning and data science. Its simplicity and readability make it ideal choice for beginners, while its power and flexibility meet the demands of experienced developers. Today, Python's relevance continues to grow as it underpins a wide range of innovative technologies and applications, maintaining its position as one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Python is easy to read and write, making it a great choice for beginners. Its simple syntax allows new programmers to learn the basics without getting confused by complex language rules. Python can be used in many fields like web development, data science, data analysis, DevOps, testing, and automation. This makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of projects and industries. It's often used in schools and universities to teach programming because it's easy to understand. Learning Python helps students grasp programming concepts that can be applied to other languages later. Python is free to use and distribute, even for commercial purposes. Its open source nature allows anyone to contribute to its development, improving and expanding its capabilities over time. It has a huge community of users and developers who share code, resources, and support. This community helps new programmers find solutions to problems and provides a wealth of libraries and tools to make development easier. Python has a vast collection of libraries and frameworks that simplify many tasks. For example, Django and FastAPI are popular for web development, while Pandas and NumPy are widely used in data analysis. This programming language works on different operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. This cross-platform compatibility means you can run the same Python code on various devices without modification. As a backend developer, you will use Python frameworks like Django, Flask, or FastAPI to build and maintain the server-side logic of web applications. Your role includes managing databases, server integration, and ensuring efficient performance and scalability. Data engineers use Python to design and manage large-scale data processing systems. They create data pipelines and tools to collect, clean, and transform data, ensuring it is ready for analysis and reporting. Data scientists use Python for analyzing data and building predictive models. They apply libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and TensorFlow to extract insights, make data-driven decisions, and develop intelligent applications. QA engineers use Python to write automated tests that ensure software quality and performance. They create scripts to test different aspects of an application, helping to find and fix bugs more efficiently. DevOps engineers use Python to automate server management tasks, deploy applications, and manage infrastructure. They create scripts to streamline workflows, enhance systems reliability, and ensure continuous integration and delivery. Paid online courses on platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer structured learning paths with videos, lectures, quizzes, and assignments. These courses are often taught by experienced instructors and provide comprehensive coverage of Python concepts, making them suitable for learners at all levels. Bootcamps offer intensive, immersive learning experiences that focus on practical skills and real-world projects. They provide hands-on training in a short period, making them ideal for those who are looking to quickly gain proficiency in Python and enter the job market as developers. Books on Python cater to various learning styles and preferences, offering in-depth explanations, examples, and exercises. They provide a solid foundation in Python fundamentals and are a valuable resource for self-paced learning and reference. Mentorship programs pair learners with experienced Python developers who provide guidance, feedback, and support. Mentors offer personalized insights and advice, helping learners to navigate challenges, accelerate their learning, and build confidence in their Python skills. Working on small projects allows learners to apply their Python knowledge to practical scenarios and reinforce concepts. By tackling projects like building a personal website, creating a simple game, or automating repetitive tasks, learners gain hands-on experience and confidence in their abilities. Joining Python communities like forums, online groups, and social media networks provides opportunities to connect the fellow learners and experienced developers. These communities offer support, advice, and resources, fostering a collaborative learning environment where learners can ask questions, share insights, and grow their Python skills together. YouTube channels dedicated to Python tutorials offer a wealth of free resources for learners of all levels. These tutorials cover a wide range of topics, from Python basics to advanced techniques, in an accessible and engaging format, making them ideal for visual learners and those seeking additional guidance outside of traditional courses and books. In conclusion, despite concerns about the rise of AI and its potential impact on programming jobs, Python remains an essential language to learn in 2024. Its versatility, simplicity, and widespread adoption across various industries make it a valuable asset for developers and companies alike. With a plethora of learning resources available, from paid courses to free tutorials and communities, mastering Python opens doors to exciting career opportunities in web development, data analysis, data science, automation testing, server administration, and beyond. So, grab a cup of coffee, dive into the world of Python, and embark on a rewarding journey in the ever-evolving tech landscape. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.